Hey, it's Speedy! Get him!
I got few. I got the money from the bank. Few. I got the money from the bank. I'm rich. I need somebody who thinks like me. Somebody who acts like me. Let me order something. Order. Here. I probably. Hey, open.
Wow, how'd you get all that money?
Shut.
I need to go home.
Okay. First, well, number 1. Put your DNA. The second, press the start button. Third, wait for the machine below. Okay. Okay, that might take a while. Wait. Oh.
Junka, junka, monka, monka, lonka, donka, chunka, monka, lonka, donka, chunka, monka, lonka, donka, lonka, donka, chunka, monka, lonka, donka, donka, chunka.
Okay, now 4, press. Okay, and start this button to make your What's number 5 now? Wait your clone to be adult size for 18 years.
Papa?
Oh, hell no.
Papa!
Wait a minute. There's a other villain named Lippy?
Papa! Don't leave me!
Okay. So there's a other villain called Lippy. And he's right now in that, like, area. Okay. That it's time to do a robbery. Oh.
Papa!
Okay, now we got Flippy. And now we have to put it in the research.
Connor! He was not John.
What? You are not my son. You wanna play a game? You wanna play a game? Little
Sure.
kitty.
Sure. I love games.
So now this is a pretend game. Come in this box. Ow. Okay. Okay. Now, let me just write something quickly. Free kitty.
That a cupcake?
Yeah. Here you go.
Oh, yummy.
Now we need to.
Papa?
Okay, now let's drive my beating. Now it's trying to go to the living factory.
It's Petey! Get him! It's Petey! Wait, that's not Petey. That's little Petey. That's Petey!
Don't hurt my papa! No, if you hurt my papa. No, don't hurt my papa. He's my papa.
Papa.
Okay, now let's drop this in there. No.
Papa, what are you doing?
Fine, you can come with me.
Okay, I will leave. Bye bye, guys. Dogman leaves.
Is there a kid's car seat?
No. Come on, let's
Why?
just go.
Why?
PT, just saying, do not press those buttons. I won't do it
Why?
if I was you. Just don't.
Why?
Just don't.
I gotta go potty.
Oh my god.
Ooh, what this do?
Why did you drop Slippy into the wrong area of the living spray factory?
Because I wanted to. Can I just go potty?
No!
But I have to!
Fine.
Yay, potty!
Do not pee on the floor.
Okay, I'm going to the toilet.
You lunatics, did you actually want to see him go to the toilet? Oh my god.
They can see my pee-pee.
Well, you're going to anyways, even if you didn't want to.
Okay, okay, can we go
I'll
to
show you
now?
where you're sleeping tonight. Here. Definitely not like trash room. Okay,
I'm
open.
sleeping in your bed.
No,
Yes,
no,
yes,
no.
yes.
Let me just put you in bed now. Now it's time for me to go to.
English.
Okay, I'm gonna work on an invention instead of going to school.
Okay, I'll leave the camera here.
Papa.
My new.
I had a bad dream. I had a bad dream.
Are you kidding me? Just go and be fine. Ugh.
Okay. Guess I will.
ADHD. Bring little PT back. Okay, here, take his drawing and scan that and find a person who made that.
ADHD. ADHD.
Hi.
Go find my grandpa.
Okay.
And bring him to me.
Get me out of
Get me out of this thing!
Grandpa, come on. Papa.
What? Why did you bring him back? He abandoned me when I was a child with my mom.
Well, you left me and I forgave you.
Fine.
Grandpa, do I read my
No.
comics? Oh. Do you even like them?
No.
Why?
I don't know. I just don't like them.
When you slap him,
I'll slap you if I want to. You're grounded.
you can't ground me. I'm a fully adult.
That's what you get for not reading my comics.
Here, have a little cup.
Cupcake! Why did you eat the candle?
You're not supposed to eat the candle.
Grandpa, go away!
I'm not here. I'm recording. I'm recording. I'm not here.
Oh, never mind. That was just my imagination. It's fine. I gotta go potty again. Gotta go potty. Papa, I gotta go potty.
You already went last time.
No, I didn't. Oh,
Yeah.
well, maybe I did.
It's 12 minutes left.
Okay, this Dogman movie's over. This is the original Little Petey. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Bye bye, you little babies.